Can you hold this for me?
I got bear spray.
Got it? Okay. Nice. Let's do this. This shit bright as hell. Can't see shit right now. This is light. I think this concrete all the way. Hopefully. Good. Let's go. Let's do this. Almost there. Almost at the top. 0.5 left. And then we good. I'm going to see if I can get a drone up here. It's up there. So good. See the shots right now. Can't. Sorry. Just watch the video. It's a little bit windy out here. It's a little bit cold. It's not too cold. It's October, so it's mistake. But wow, look at this. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but look at that. Amazing, yo. We made it. We were up here watching the sunrise, and these scenes look amazing. It looks unreal. It looks like a Microsoft desktop background, but amazing. I'm glad we made it on time. We finally caught a sunrise. This hike wasn't hard. It was like 30-40 minutes up and then 30-40 minutes down, so we're gonna hike down after we see the full sunrise. I am cold though, so gloves. I should have brought gloves. But look at this. Like, how can you complain? This is nature. How don't you want to be around nature? What? Like, look at this. Look. Come on.
That's honestly a really beautiful hike.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely was. I wasn't expecting that.
Me either.
Amazing. You finished the hike?
Daniel's about to shit his pants.
About to shit my pants.
In paradise, to truly. Gotta laugh at the stupidity. Colonel Rose.
Don't stop now. Don't stop now.
It looks so naive the way you saw me from far.
So, we almost here.
3 minutes.
3 more minutes, and then we're here at the cabin in Ashford.
Ashford. Ashford.
Something, right? It's supposed to be so cozy.
In 500 feet, your destination will be on the left.
Thank you, sir.
Is it? Oh yeah, it's definitely it. Oh my god, this is so fucking fire. This shit is so cozy. We just made it. Cozy. Got a sauna over there. The cabin right here. You got the grill over here. Hammock. Hot tub is over there. Let's do it. sauna over here. I think it's a sauna. This is the sauna, I believe. Yes, sauna. This is another room that's not available, I think. I have no idea. But I can't wait to use the sauna. Here's the cabin. Nice, cozy, relaxing. You have the hot tub over here. It's fire. Nice hot tub, nice hot tub, nice hot tub. Cozy, cozy, cozy. Grill barbecue area over here. What? Yes. Shall we go in? We shall go in. We shall go in.
You have the key?
The car key?
Yeah.
Yeah. 135 531.
It says no. 1, 3, 5,
531.
5, 3, 1. No. Uh-oh.
I guess we don't have access. The code is not working, but we mentioned them, so hopefully it gets resolved ASAP because it's cozy time.
1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2.
Yes. Cozy. Yes, we are in here like swimwear. Oh my god.
Oh, so pretty.
So cozy, so cozy, so cozy. Cozy, cozy. Have a nice little chest set over here. Washer and dryer. Toilet, sink. Nice little cozy fridge. Nice little kitchen. Got a nice little record player over here. TV with Netflix and other amenities. Let's go upstairs and check out the bed. Let's go check out the bed. Nice and cozy. Nice and cozy. Yeah, this is nice. This is fucking nice. Wow. This is nice. Really nice. I forgot to show you guys the sauna, so let's go see the sauna right now. Let's go see the sauna. Show me the sauna. Let's go. Show me the sauna. Show me. Show me. Show me. Show me the
Welcome
sauna.
to MTV Homes. Is that it?
Say it again?
Was it wrong?
Say it again? I don't know.
MTV.
MTV
Homes?
Cribs?
MTV
Oh my
Cribs.
god. Homes.
Welcome to
Welcome.
my sauna.
Sauna. Oh
I
my.
wish it was my sauna. Look at how cute.
Oh, this is fire. It's a lighting. Nice. Also, this is this outdoor seating waiting area, right?
Yeah, for you.
Nice. Oh, for me.
It's just like a regular sauna.
Nice. Oh, we got the. Oh, this is nice. This is about to be lit. Hell yeah. This is about to be lit. Shit, we can't. It's a nice cabin. Got a sauna, jacuzzi, grill, fire pit, cozy vibes. I can't wait to settle in. We're going to get our bags and relax. And then tomorrow we're going to go for another hike. So, see you guys in a few. It's freezing out here. But we got the stuff. S'mores, burgers, breakfast. Oh, I know who's coming. Come. How you turn these on? Where else? How you turn these on?
That's a good question.
That's a good question. Very good question. Follow the plug. Follow the plug. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Yes. Okay. It's fire time. Fire time. Got some firewood here. Yes, we do. Do you have the lighter sword? Cool.
No.
No?
I didn't bring it. Do you think it's damp? Did it rain? Nice.
That shit burn. Finally.
Finally, I'm having Grilling. Only one of the burners works. Burner?
Yeah. Sucks, but whatever.